Today we are discussing some stocks for swing trading. So first stock is MFSL. If you see the daily chart of MFSL, the stock had given a breakout, and after this breakout, if you consider this as the first impulse, this followed up by a corrective pattern. This is a regular flat, and we in our theory says that after every impulse, if there is a corrective pattern, we always get one next impulse. Now between these two impulses, there is no divergence, which means we again expect it after some correction, we expect it to go again higher. So because since there is no divergence, we expect it to move up. Now, if you closely look, this also looks like an head and shoulders, inverse head and shoulders pattern, and the target is around 828. So there is still some upside left. Now on the hourly chart, if you see, it is going strong, and after that it is consolidating. So one more move up can come in this stock, but this will be a very small up move, and after that a bigger correction is expected. And once this bigger correction is expected, it can again go back to the top. Now if you closely look, now let me clear this. Now this is, if this is the third wave, and if you draw, so this price should not again come back to this area, because if this is the wave 1, this is a wave 2, this is wave 3, wave 4 does not intersect into the price of wave 1. So now what all probabilities we have, that if a corrective pattern completes within this, then we can expect more strong up move, and in the future more up move. However, if this gets intersected in this area, then all this will be a correction, and correction, this may be the first wave of correction. After that we will get a B and C wave, and after that more fall can come, but that is a bigger picture. So for swing trade we have to look into a smaller picture, and smaller picture means it says that after some correction it may go up. So we have to look into all these probabilities. So let us see the other stock. So let us go into Biocon. So this is the 15-minute chart of Biocon. If you see, the stock has given a strong up move, break of trend line. Now after this, as in last case, I said that we should not wait for retest, but in this case, since this is the first wave, this can come and retest this also, because there is no force. Wave second can go as down as this part of wave 1. It should not retrace 100%, but it can come down. So this is the difference, that when to expect a retest and when not to. So if it's the third wave, then there will be a no retest. However, if it is a second wave, then the retest will come to the breakout area, and in fact it can go lower also. And after this correction, we can expect another move up. I hope this is clear. So let us see the chart of Tata Steel. So if you see on the 4 hour, the stock has given a strong impulsive move, and after that it is in a correction. This is a corrective pattern, strong down move followed by a correction to the upside, and one down move, small down move is pending. And after this, to complete this corrective structure, this small correction can go below this also, or it can end here also. After this, if we again get impulsive move to the top, I mean, this is the impulse, this is the correction, so one more impulse can come. As you see, there is no divergence as of now, so probably we are expecting this, and we have to look that on a smaller chart, whether all these probabilities will take over or not. And if you look clearly, I mean, so this has broken this top, and from this, if you get a down move, so after that you can trade this wave, but this can be the last wave, so you have to trade it carefully. Let us see another stock, Amara batteries. Now, previously in my Amaraja batteries analysis, I had said that now Amaraja sector will go up from this area as it was showing divergence, but this up move can be a corrective structure also, or so this from this 540 levels it has reached around 600 also. So, but now you can see if you go to the hourly chart, this has broken this trend line. So now we can expect some small down move. It can break this also, or it can give a impulse correction and impulse for one more upside to complete a bigger structure, or it can come like this also to break this. At this moment, that part is not clear, but what is clear that this wave is over, this mono wave is over, and now another structure has begun. Whether this will be A, B, C, or this ABC is over and after that another impulsive move is coming is not clear as of now, but some downside can come. Whether that is small downside or big downside depends on the further price action. So keep this stock in watch list. So let us see another Tata Power. So if you see the stock of Tata Power, after this up move, this impulsive up move, now the stock is in a correction. And for the correction to complete, if you see, uh, this is the first wave. After this, it is going very correctively. So some downside cannot be ruled out, but ignore that downside and try to find if we get an impulsive move to the top, because after this impulse, if this correction is over, we can get another impulse that will break this top also. However, we should also be cautious that this low is not broken, because if this is broken, then the structure will be different, and after some upside we may get more downside. So you have to be careful this structure, how structure changes, and we have to keep all these into mind. Now, another stock is Mariko. Now let me clear this. So if you see on the Mariko, this stock had given a good up move, and after that this is correcting. And if you look closely, this correction, uh, this is the first down move. This is followed by a corrective pattern. This is nothing but a running flat pattern, and after this running flat you are again getting down move. So now this is the last wave of this correction, as this is first, this is the impulse. So after this impulse, I mean, this correction is over, we are expecting another move to the top, but that depends on whether the current uh, correction is over. So looking at this, it seems, let us review the last wave. This is impulse, then correction. This is impulse correction, and impulse. So although if you see there is no divergence on the hourly, so we may get a corrective structure and one more push down to come to give us divergence and then next up move. Or if this is going up and again clearing this, then because many time happens that without, even without divergence, stock can go up. So but we have to we have to see further price action in this. However, on a larger time frame, if you see on the 4 hours, we are expecting after this correction one move that will break this top. So you have to check this stock and see if this sort of price action is happening. If that is happening, then you can plan your trades accordingly. Also, this lower side should not be breached by slowly and steadily this, because if that happens, then this structure will change into A, this will be B. After that, you will get a C up move, but after that, one more down move will come that will break this. So you have to be sure that this does not break this lower end. I hope this is clear and this adds some value. So please subscribe and share among friends. And if you have any doubts, please post them as comments. Thank you.